Today we learn standard 9 English medium chapter number 4 exercise 4.3 question number 2. In question number 2 given point are given 2 and 14 and asks how many lines can be passed through these points. So according to definition of point and lines, so one point passing infinite line from one point. One point passing infinite line from one, it means you have to only one point and so many lines can be passed of one point. So answer is infinite line can be passed, and for example, so many examples are given. Suppose x, first point 2 and 14. So example are 2 into 7 into x is equal to y. So x equal to 2, therefore 2 into 7, 14 is equal to y is also 14. So 7x equal to y is a one example of lines can be passed from this point. So similar way, so many examples can be written. So only here one example written. So you have two or more than 2 or 3 examples can be written in your notebooks. Question number 3, 1.3 and 4. Solution of given lines linear equation with two variables 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Then find value of a. So 3 and 4 are a solution of given equation. Therefore, put in place of x and y and you get answer and value of a. So equation is 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Point is equal to 3 and 4. Therefore, x equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So 3 in place of y, 4 as it is x equal to 3 and 7. 4 into 3, 12. A into 3, 3a plus 7. Now side change, 12 minus 7 is equal to 3a. 12 minus 7, answer is 5 equal to 3a. Therefore, a is equal to 5 divided by 3. Question number 4. In question number 4, first taxi rate of first kilometer is equal to rupees 8. After first kilometer, the taxi rate of rupees 5 per kilometer. For every kilometers, rupees 5 after first kilometer. Then total distance is x and total cost of rate of taxi is equal to y rupees. So according to using this data, you can create linear equation with two variables and then draw a represented points on a graphical represented. So first, suppose rate of taxi for first kilometer is equal to x. Rate of taxi is rupees x, and here total distance covered is equal to x kilometer, and are given in question x and total cost is rupees taken y. Already here we given. So according to this equation and using this situation, first kilometer is equal to 8. It means complete first kilometer for 8, and after first kilometer rupees 5 per kilometer. It means total completed x kilometer. For first rupees you have to taken 8, therefore minus 1 kilometer and after -1 kilometer taxi rate is ₹5 per kilometer, and is total cost, it means completed solution answer is y, because y is total cost of taxi fares. Now understand this equation with example. Suppose you have completed 5 kilometers. So how many rupees can you give this taxi? So total distance covered is equal to 5 kilometers. So according to this data, for first kilometer you pay 8 rupees. It means of total 5 kilometers. So 5 can be divided for first kilometer plus remains 4 kilometers. So first kilometer you pay 8 rupees, and after 4 kilometers you can pay rupees 5. It means per kilometer 5 rupees. So 4 kilometers 5 into 4 20. Therefore total amount can be given is equal to 28. So 28 is our answer. It means y is our 28. 8 rupees for first kilometer. Here 4, it means 5 minus 1, because 1 kilometer are counted here. So total distance is x in place of 5. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 5 kilometers is 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. So in this sense you have to write down this relation between these terms. Now cross multiplication system, bracket are open. 8 plus 5x minus 5 equal to 1. 8 minus 5, answer is 3 plus 5x equal to 1. Now find 3 points, 3 coordinates, and then represented on graph. So value of y you can get with value of x. So here distance and cost, so does not negative terms, so you cannot take negative value for x and y, because your cost and kilometers. So in any condition this terms is not negative, therefore only positive value can be considered for this graphical representation. Now take value of x equal to 1 times 0, 1 and 2. So first x equal to 0, therefore y is equal to 3 plus 5x, therefore 3 plus 5 into 0, answer is 3. Now x equal to 1, therefore y is equal to 3 plus 5 into 1, 5 into 1, 5 plus 3, answer is 8. X equal to 2, so y equal to 3 plus 5 into 2, it means 5 into 2, 10 plus 3, answer is 30. So these can be points represented on graph, it means x axis and y axis. All can be positive value considered, so graph y axis, x axis. You can show here x axis is maximum value is 2, positive 2. 0, 1, 2 and 3 are enough. No negative value, therefore is enough. Now y axis positive value is equal to 13. So you have to take a gap of 2 terms. It means first here 0, so first digit you can write down 2, 4, 6. In similar way or in simple way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 13 terms. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So first value is 0 and 3. X axis 0, y axis 3. X 0, y 3. It means here. Now x axis is 1, y is equal to 8. So x equal to 1, y equal to 8. After this point, completed line, this type of line can be represented here. So we line is 3 plus 5x equal to 1. Represented on graphically represented on x axis and y axis. So completed here up to 13 terms and then draw down 1 and 8, 2 and 13 and linear lines, and on the line you can written down 3 plus 5x. This equation 3 plus 5x equal to y is a graphical representative of this data. Completed by itself. Now question number 5. In question number 5, first we have to see textbook question. Figure 1 and figure 2 are given in question and ask them given total 4 equations. For figure 4 equation, for figure 1 4 equation, figure 2 4 equation, see 4 equation and compare with figure. So you can find out 3 points on a figure from the figure. Here this type of figure can be written down and not down. Here 3 points can be shown in figure. So first point are shown in figure is -1 and 1. Another is 0 and 0, and third is 1 and -1. So all 3 points put in value of x and check out all 3 points can be out of 4 which equation are solution of this all 3 points. It means you can put down -1 and 1 for first equation. Answer will be 0 or same. 0 and 0, 1 and -1. So answer will be same for all case. Then you can say that this equation can be solution of these 3 points are solution of this equation. In similar way here x plus y, it means -1 and 1 cancel out, so answer is 0 is right. First, second 0 and 0 answer is right. 1 and -1, 1 -1 0. It means equation 2 so satisfy x and y. It means value of x and y you can put and answer is 0. For your check y is equal to 1, 1 equal to -2 is not equal, therefore not solution of this equation. So this equation can be cancelled, this is also cancelled. Now 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. So check out with first x equal to minus, it means -7 answer on a left side. Here put y equal to 1, 3 into 1 3 plus 2 5, 5 equal to -7 is also cancelled. So answer is equation number 2 is the 3 all coordinate can be solution and satisfy equation 2. So according to question 1 for equation and figure, answer is question 2. Equation 2 can be satisfied. Another figure point you can find out from the graph from question textbook. -1 and 3, 0 and 2, 2 and 0. How can this point can be find? So here in according to graph, which point can be represented? 0 and 3. So in similar way you can find out 3 points from figure given in question. So all 3 points can be put in here 1, 2 and 3. So you can find out equation number 3 can be satisfy all conditions. It means equation 3 is a solution of given 3 coordinates. So write down in notebooks. After completed, only one sentence can be written down. Here x plus y is equal to 0. Put this all 3 solution and get same answer. Therefore, these coordinates are a solution of this equation. In similar way here, all 3 points can be solution of equation number 3 out of 4. So completed notebooks. Remains one can be completed by itself. Thank you friends.